Cheers.
Day 3 at ZAO. Bit of a fresh snow last night, so we're gonna head right to the top and aim for them trees again and hopefully get some fresh tracks. It's the weekend today, so resort's a little bit busier than the last 2 days, but still, as you can see, pretty empty. Not many people around. So see you guys at the top. We thought we made our way to the ropeway to try and get up, but we ended up at the wrong one again. Every time we're trying to get somewhere, we keep getting lost. So we thought, sod it, we're gonna walk to the other ropeway. The other ropeway is the one that gets you access to the snow monsters. But it's only a couple of minutes just down the road here. We'll see you guys at the top this time. Absolutely white out up here. I'm gonna do a few more runs mid-mountain and then hopefully it clears up in an hour or two. Can't see shit up here. Our lift pass run out. We got lost most of the day because we couldn't see anything. We just got back to the car now. Gonna make a coffee, chill out for a bit, have a snack, and then go find a nice outdoor bath to rest our muscles with. Whoa, what a mission this morning. Word of the day, Zenzen Miyonakatta.
なんか有名ですかここら辺なんか金山とか銀山温泉銀山温泉めっちゃ綺麗ですよね
綺麗
最高昨日ですかあれ行ったの
昨日ねあおととい夜
あれめっちゃ綺麗だった
それみんなカップルでしょ面白いでもみんななんか浴衣とかあるでもここたちはスノーボードダンスとかすごい綺麗面白いでも超なんかロマンティックでしょWe just met up with a professional Vanlifer YouTuber Don10 Snow check out his Instagram and YouTube 22歳Vanlife
お願いします
So I subscribed to his channel about a month ago or 2 months ago when I bought my van and that's where I got a lot of my inspiration from for doing DIY van build. So yeah, check out his channel and there's a cool lifestyle. Snowboard, van life. Fuck yeah.
This is a free parking? Free parking ただおでもここは秘密ちょっとね汚いめっちゃ汚い
わあいいじゃん
すごい木もすげえなめっちゃ
So this is the inspiration I got for my van build. So pretty cool. Hi. Hiroto.
今ただ日焼けっていう
からありがとう。
It's a fusion between ramen and soba.
Yeah, we got the special.
It's like soba base, but the noodles are ramen noodles.
Okay.
Crazy.
Tori chuka. we're going to try night snowboarding tonight in ZAO Onsen, as they got a night course, and we found this free parking. Yeah, I'll show you guys. Again, very close to the ski lifts, and even better, free parking with a toilet. Yeah, so gonna have a few beers tonight when we night ride.
Hell yeah, that's right.
ZAO Onsen, night ride. Saving them for Ron. Later on. This we'll go hit up some curry. Just finished night riding. We're going to try our luck and get into an onsen. We've not been too lucky with the onsens recently, so fingers crossed. Good tea?
Oh yeah, we got everything for yourself.
Finally, we scored with an onsen. This is what makes van life in Japan very good. Yeah, sleep in minus 15 degrees, go riding, and then all over Japan you've got these onsens, very hot. So sometimes hard to relax. It kind of burns, but you get used to it after a while. But yeah, van life in Japan. Travel all around Japan and you get these onsens. You get a lot of free onsens, paid onsens, and yeah. So I'm gonna finish this episode on this. I'm gonna relax in the bath for a bit, and then head back to the van, get in my sleeping bag, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. If you liked today's episode, make sure subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below. See you guys. What'd you get today, Cairo?
Shoes, one for me, one for you, of course. Backcountry backpack, Osprey.
Alright, first drop in of the day.